Hi Capricorn, welcome back to Ivy Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, please consider supporting the channel by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell, as well as let me know in the comment section on how the message resonates with you. By doing so, you will also be eligible for monthly giveaway reading, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. If this message does resonate with you, Capricorn, please check your moon, your rising, or your Venus sign, as well as you can check the July monthly reading for Capricorn, and I will put the link down below in the description box. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Both of the links are also in the description box. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into your reading here, Capricorn. So the first oracle card that I've pulled for you here is the Strength card coming up here. And the second oracle card that I've got for you here is Polarity. And the overall message that I've got for you here, Capricorn, is leadership. So with this tree card coming up here, I do feel like the message that coming up strongly here, Capricorn, here is that it's time for you to actually step up into your own into the leadership of your own life coming up strongly here, Capricorn, because with this leadership card, the message that I've got for you here is that step into your leadership, share your message, inspire and empower others. So again, this is the message that I've got for you here, is that I do feel like some of you have this desire to change the world, have this desire to actually inspire people here, but you're kind of having this fear or insecurities, or even like you just kind of like thinking that, okay, I can't do that, I'm lack of so and so, like those kind of energy. So it's time basically for you to actually just step out within yourself here and step out into being the leader that you desire to be here, Capricorn. And with this Strength card coming up, it definitely require a very huge amount of strength to do that coming up here. And the message that I've got for you here is that the challenge will make you stronger. You will get through to the other side, and look for the guide on this situation. So again, with this card coming up here, what the message that I'm getting strongly here for you here, Capricorn, here is that it's okay to feel weak. It's definitely okay to feel discouraged here. The strength is basically not about our own ego strength, but this is basically about the divine strength that we have within ourselves. And whenever you're feeling discouraged, whenever you're feeling weak, whenever you're feeling like, okay, I can't do this, I'm just not sure if I have the enough power, if I just have the enough strength to do this, and basically it's time for you to actually call upon the help, call and ask for the divine guidance, ask for the divine strength to come towards you here, Capricorn. And with this Polarity card coming up here, I do feel like some of you also have been doing so much of shadow work, so much of like understanding, okay, I have this fear, I have this this fear or this anger within myself, because I'm definitely sensing like lots of anger coming up strongly here. So I do feel like some of you also have understood, okay, this is it, this is me, this is time for me to actually step into my own leadership and how to make myself better, and how to make my life better coming up strongly here as well, Capricorn. The message that I've got for you here is that integrate your shadow side. There can be no light without dark, and understand the law of polarity. So it's basically time for you to understand that it's okay to have all this emotion. It's okay to have all this feeling here. This is nothing that make you a bad person, or this is not that something that make you an evil person here. This is what is making you a person, a human being. And with understanding that, you can also like stepping up into your leadership on how to make yourself better, on how to make your life better coming up strongly here, Capricorn. All right, so let's get into your tarot reading. The first card that I've got for you here is the Six of Wands, followed by the Knight of Wands and the Death card, or the Rebirth card coming up here. So again, I'm definitely sensing you are definitely going through a lots of transformation, lots of rebirth here. And this is what comes with the polarity here. The more you understand yourself, the more you're actually going through lots of transformation here, Capricorn. And when that happens, it's good thing because you're starting to understand, okay, this is me, this is what I need to change to make myself better, this is what I need to work into. That kind of energy I'm getting strongly here as well. And with this Knight of Wands energy, this is basically you, like after doing all this transformation, after stepping up into the leadership of your own life coming up here, after having all this strength coming up here for you here, Capricorn. With this Knight of Wands energy, as you can see how the person is just, you know, like smiling, dancing, being happy. So the message that coming up strongly here for you here, Capricorn, it's time for you to actually keep on smiling, keep on being happy in midst of all these challenges, of all this darkness that is basically going on around you or surrounding you at this point of time. And with this Six of Wands card, you're definitely going to get the victory that you deserve. The Six of Wands itself is already an indication of victorious outcome, a positive outcome coming up here. So even if you're looking for reconciliation, or even for those of you who are actually single here, and I've got the Seven of Swords at the bottom of the deck coming up for you here, Capricorn. So this message could be specifically for those of you who are actually have gone through lots of manipulation or lots of deception, either recently or in the past relationship, that you just kind of like losing hope, that you're just like having the like starting to lose hope that if you ever will find the true love, if you will ever find your divine counterpart here. And I've got the Ten of Pentacles, which is confirming that yes, you will. You're definitely going to get the love you deserve. You're definitely going to get the outcome that you deserve here. Happy home, happy family, life full of richness with your loved one coming up here strongly, Capricorn. So no matter no matter what the past might have been, no matter that even though you have gotten through lots of deception or manipulation here, it's okay. It's basically, it's already in the past. So it's time for you to actually step into your leadership role here. This leadership role could actually be that you are confronting all this fear or all this negative thought or all this negative mindset that's basically telling you the relationship did not work because of your own flaws here. You could be having those walls that's basically been feeding yourself lots of negativity here, Capricorn. So it's time for you to actually get the strength and step up and tell the voices, no, it's not my fault. Whatever that happened in the past, I'm moving on from that. That's no longer that's basically whatever happened in the past, that's no longer introducing you as a like basically whatever happened in the past is no longer you. You're definitely going through loss of rebirth as a new person coming up here, Capricorn. And I've got the Page of Wands coming up for you. As you can see here, the Page of Wands and the Knight of Wands, on how happy they are coming up here. They're just basically like, okay, they're just basically in this energy, like whatever happened to them, whatever has happened to them in the past, whatever the surrounding here, they don't care. They just like going within themselves here and be happy within themselves, because they know that emotionally they deserve this. That kind of energy you need to stepping into here, Capricorn. You could also be dealing with a Scorpio, or you could also be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. And the bottom of the deck I've got for you here is the Seven of Cups. So I'm definitely sensing confusion coming up here. It's okay to feel confused. It's okay to, like unable to make the decision at this point of time. It's okay. You don't have to rush into taking any decision here. It's time for you to actually just step back for a minute and just think for yourself first. Here I've got the Four of Wands coming up for you here, which is the celebration card coming up here, Capricorn. This is also my personal twin flame card coming up here. So for those of you who are actually going through a twin flame journey, for those of you who are actually doing this shadow work to get into the union with you and your twin flame, is definitely coming. All this hard work that I've been putting is definitely coming towards you strongly here, Capricorn. And I've got the Tower movement coming up for you here, as well as the bottom of the deck. This is basically an indication towards me. All these changes, all these unexpected changes, all this Tower movement that is basically have been happening in your life here is actually happened so you can be strong within yourself, so you can actually go through this rebirth, this transformation processes, so you can actually step into your own leadership role. I've got the Eight of Pentacles coming up here. This is basically an indication towards me that all this Tower movement needed to happen at this point of time, so you can actually step back for a minute and you can actually focus all the work within yourself with this Eight of Pentacles energy. And what is it going to bring towards you? The wheel. So definitely a lots of a wheel. The wheel is basically turning in your favor. So you can actually expect a lot of change of event or turns of event in your favor here, Capricorn. And I've got the Emperor coming up here. Wow. So you could be dealing with an Aries or someone with a very strong Aries in the chart. And with this Emperor card, so this is what I mean, the transformation that is basically needed here. And I do feel like you're not alone going through this transformation. I do feel like definitely going through this like your person is definitely going through this transformation as well, because this Emperor is basically an indication towards me, the divine masculine. So basically stepping up into your divine power coming up here strongly, Capricorn. If you're dealing with an Aries, or if you're dealing with or if you're dealing with an Aries, or if you have a strong Aries in your chart, you can also check the Aries reading, because I'm also getting the same healing energy coming up there. So to close up your reading, I've pulled the message here. I've got your higher self. Wow. So this is what I mean, that your higher self is definitely guiding you through this transformation. As you can see, I've got the transformation coming up here. So you're definitely going through a lots of transformation. You and your person definitely going through a lots of transformation here. And just know that you are becoming, like, you're basically integrating with your higher self, and your higher self are definitely helping you really strongly here, Capricorn. Wow, this is definitely a very wonderful reading here. And with the color blue and the color purple here, I do feel like it's time for you to actually also focus on your throat chakra as well as your third eye chakra here. Alright, so that's it for your reading. I hope the reading resonates. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if it does, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Also let me know in the comment section on how the message resonates with you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.